Alright, this is the walk around for the 2014 Jetta. This has 63,000 miles on it. I'm just going to go through some of these exterior things. You can see little blemishes, water spots. I mean, this is a commuter car, obviously. Yeah, you can see a little blemish, some water spots. From about 5 feet away, the car looks good though. The tires are real nice. You can see tiny little micro scratches. This car was not babied at all. Like right here, you can see a little tiny. The black makes it stand out a lot. Yeah, right here. It's a little deep to be buffed out. Yeah, you can see little nicks here. Underneath that's white. This VW paint's really thin. So yeah, there's a couple blemishes. Yeah, this is 2014. Oh jeez. Yeah, this model had the backup camera. I'll start it. I've got the OEM rubber mats and the OEM cloth mats. Yeah, this is not perfect, but you can see a tiny bit of wear. If you're just looking normally, you can't really see it though. This is all pretty clean. The sunroof works. Panorama. And this is leatherette. I don't know if you look at a lot of these, even with like 170,000 miles, the interiors hold up super well on these newer Jettas. The old ones just completely disintegrated. Yeah, it's got the seat heaters. AC works. Okay. Push button start. That's for 2014. Yeah, so it's pretty clean, black on black, nothing broken or missing. This little sill I bought from OEM from VW, it's stainless steel, it's $150. Some springs back, there's an OEM covercraft, it's $260. This is their little system, cargo system. So you got this, and then this is their little space saving system. It's still in the plastic. Safety kit. This whole thing folds down. And yeah, this is custom cut. Even the antenna for the cell phone is cut out. But yeah, it's still got some pretty good shine on it. And yeah, let me know.